So in this video tutorial we will see how to draw or use line command in AutoCAD, or how we can use line command to draw lines in an AutoCAD. So we will see four methods to draw a line or use line command in an AutoCAD. So first one is that you are seeing this command bar. You will write simply line over here, and you can see first one is the line. Then this will demand the first specify the first point. For example, I will specify this one as a first point, then specify the next point. For example, I specify the next point this one, and next one is this one. So I wanted to draw this line, then I press enter. So the line has been drawn in AutoCAD. So after this, second method is to use this main menu toolbar like this. We will click this draw and line. This line will appear. Same message appear. Specify the first point, then second point, and then third or any other required point. Then press enter. So this is the second method to draw a line in an AutoCAD. Now we'll see the next. So here at left main toolbar you can see the line sign shown over here, or you can use this one, same purpose. When you will click this one, same, first specify the first point, then we will specify the second point, then other point if we have, then we will press enter. So this is the third method. Now we will see the fourth method, which is you will simply write L line command or then press enter. We will use shortcut for this method. Then we will specify the first point, then second point or any other point. So then we press enter. So this is the shortcut key line command to use to produce line in an AutoCAD. So in this way there are four methods to create a line in an AutoCAD. We will see next commands one by one in our next videos. So stay tuned. That's all.